Okay, once we are done with step 1 and 2, this putty instance should be running. To move further, minimize it. So start the Firefox. Go on the link that I provided. For Hue, paste it here. If step 1 and 2 were successful, you should get a login screen for Hue. Enter the ID password that I have provided in the link, that is CS small 634, and in password CS is capital 634 @WAN. So we'll be entering that. Go sign in. You'll get a Hue console. Go in file browser. Since in MapReduce code the output folder should not be existing, so if you find the output folder here, select it and move it to trash. Yes, delete the confirmation delete. Now we don't have an output folder here, so you can proceed running our workflow. In query editor, select job designer. You'll find a k-mean there, select it and submit the job. Submit. Now it has started the workflow for k-mean. It will take some time. The code is running in the background. You can check the status. It's 50% in progress. It takes a little time to run. When the connection is complete, you can notice this is working. My connection is going through tunnel 8157 that was set in putty. We have to wait. We can check the properties as well. Action it is performing, the details when it was last modified, start time of the job, configuration, the log, what is going on, the definition, XML file of the job that was created, workflow. This is start of job, what it is doing, and this is the indication of termination when it is done. It's actually a OZ workflow that we have created for this job of MapReduce. It's still 50% and is running. In the meantime, you can check logs. Okay, now the work has succeeded. It's 100% complete and the status is it succeeded. If the work doesn't succeed, it displays fail here. Now we can check the output by going in file browser. And there you will find the output folder. In that part R 00001. We'll be getting 3 clusters as we were working on 3 centers, 3 center points. This is the first cluster. Its centroid is calculated this 273, 302, 370, and these are the points that help form that cluster with this centroid. So big list. Similarly, go back. In 00002 you will get the second cluster. This is the center point of that, and these are the points that lie with this. In output, and 00003 will give us the third cluster. These are all the files that are created by individual reducer jobs, and the remaining are blank. Like 00000 is blank because that reducer didn't do any job, it was not assigned any job. Similarly 4, 5 and 6 all are blanks. So since we had 3 cluster and we got all 3 clusters new centroids and the points that belong to the cluster, it was a success running the project. Thank you. Now don't forget to sign out so that others can use this as well, and if you want you can delete the output in the end as well. Thank you for watching the video. This is how you run my project. Thank you.